Hi guys, hoping you are doing well. Merry Christmas and welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. If you haven't subscribed, please support me by subscribing. As you can see, niko jikoni, meaning I'm going to throw down a recipe today. And today guys, we are not going to talk about traveling, we are going to cook because it's that season of the year again that we celebrate. On my previous video, I talked about tips on how to travel on a budget, on how minimizing cost of traveling. And one of the tips I talked about, it's about eating local food. Or maybe if a hotel is offering expensive food, you can buy your food on a local market, then you go cook yourself. The hotel provides the services of cooking by yourself. And today guys, I want us to throw down a simple recipe that you can make anywhere, and that is minced meat and Minji stew. Minced Minji stew, combination of those two, and it's a simple recipe that you can make anywhere and you are going to enjoy it. Also during this season, this festive season, you can also cook for your kids. Nyinyi mkikula nyama choma, because kids can't eat nyama choma so much, you can throw down this recipe. It's Minji and minced meat stew. It's a simple recipe and your kids are going to enjoy it. So guys, if you're liking this kind of content and you haven't subscribed, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Also like and share and also comment down below. And let's do it. First of all, nimeweka my minced meat kwa moto ndio preboil kidogo, na nimeongeza maji kidogo na chumvi ndio ikuwe rahisi kupika na ikuwe soft. Nyama yetu ndio hiyo inaendelea kupreboil na imechemka for like 5 minutes. Na sio lazima tuishe hii broth yote. Juu hii broth inakuwa na kautamu yake ile time unapika stew. Ndio hii nyama. So for now nitaizimia ndio ibaki na hii kasupu. Hii kasupu inakuwa tamu sana. And on to our ingredients. We have red onions, we have carrots, we have capsicum, that is pilipili hoho, green one. We have grated tomatoes. You can cut your tomatoes into small pieces, grate, or maybe you blend. That is 2 tomatoes. We have our main ingredient, that is Minji. And onto my spices, I just use 2 spices, that is Nor chili beef cubes and 1 beef cube. And that is my ingredients for today. There's another ingredient that I forgot, that is coriander, that is dania. I forgot to buy dania, but dania you can do with or without, and your results will be good. We also have our pre-boiled minced meat. Iko na broth yake, that is pre-boiled minced meat. What I normally do after pre-boiling the minced meat, I also pre-boil my Minji together with carrots. I put some little amount of water and some salt to pre-boil for 5 minutes to make it soft. And remember, our meat is ready and we don't want to overcook the minced meat. So I pre-boil the Minji and the carrots for like 5 minutes. When your Minji is still pre-boiling with the carrots, you also cook your onion. Let it cook until it's brown. we could have dania, we could have added the dania stalks at this stage. Wait for your kitunguu to be brown. Our onion is now brown. You can put in your tomatoes. And our Minji is still boiling for about 5 minutes now. At this stage, guys, you can put in your Royco cube, just one. One is enough according to the number of people you are cooking for. 1 beef cube and a small bit of nor. This nor chili beef cube. This is the real deal, guys. It has some good taste. Nor chili beef cubes. Just a small bit of it will be enough. And our Minji has pre-boiled maji imeisha. Maji imeisha. So nitazimia hii Minji alafu ni sieve the remaining water. You can also add your hoho. At this stage, guys, you can put in your salt to taste. Just put a little bit, because remember our meat had salt, and pre-boiled Minji also had salt. So put in a little bit of salt. So put in a little bit of salt. At this point, put in your meat, because we don't want our hoho to overcook. Look at that, guys. Yummy, and the smell is good also. Look at this. Hata unaweza kula nayo ugali ama mchele at this stage. It's also a good stew, especially with rice. Unafunikia alafu ngojea kidogo for like 2 minutes. Look at that, guys. Hii nyama iko tamu sana. So sweet. I've already sieved my Minji. This is the pre-boiled Minji and carrots. I've already sieved. We put them in the stew. Look at that. You can put your little water, just a little bit. Hiyo iko sawa hiyo maji, usiweke maji mingi. You can let it simmer for about 5 minutes and your food will be ready. And now your stew of minced meat and minji is ready. Look. You can serve it with rice, chapati, matoke, and make a good beef stew.